So if you want to watch any region version of Netflix on any device, it's actually very simple. The first thing you need to do is open up Netflix, and I'll leave a quick link in the description. Once you've done this, you want to click on sign in just in the top right, and you want to sign into your account just as you normally would. Okay, so once you're signed into Netflix and selected a profile, you can go ahead and minimize out of Netflix. But in the case of this video, I'm going to scroll down and show you that I'm currently in the UK version of Netflix, but we are about to change that. So what we need to do now is to trick Netflix into thinking we're from another location, and to do this we're going to use a premium VPN, also known as a virtual private network. The VPN I personally like to use is called Private Internet Access, and you can get it with the link in the description or the pinned comment. So if you're using Private Internet Access, you want to click on VPN server, and you want to select from the list of locations that you want to stream Netflix from. In this case I'm going to use the United States, and you want to select the server with the least amount of latency, and in this case we're going to use New York City. You then want to click on the big power button, and that will connect you to the server from the location that you just selected. Once you're connected, you want to minimize out of your VPN, go back to Netflix, and you want to refresh the website or the app, and it will immediately load that version of Netflix. So just to show you here, if I scroll all the way down, it will say top 10 films in the US today. And you can go ahead and watch any movies just as you normally would. Just remember that if you want to stop faking your location, you want to go back to your VPN and you want to disconnect from the server, and then that will stop faking your location and take you back to normal browsing. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.